Welcome everyone. The question that is shown here, that is, you have to find a vector, and that vector of magnitude 5, and that is perpendicular to both a vector and the b vector, and the a vector and b vector is given here, and the a vector is a 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap, and the b vector is the I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So if you want to find it out a vector and which is perpendicular to both the a vector and the b vector, then definitely you have to do a cross product of the a vector and the b vector. So let us do the cross product of the a vector and b vector, that is the a cross b, and I cap, j cap, k cap. What is ax? Ax is 2. What is ay? Ay is 1. What is az? Az is minus 3. Okay, and the b vector is 1. B vector is 1, that is the bx is 1, by is minus 2, and the bz is plus 1. Okay, so this is the determinant, and I cap minus of j cap plus of k cap. Okay, so I cap is equal to 1 into plus 1, that is 1, minus 2 into minus 3, that means plus 6, and it becomes 1 minus 6. What is the value of the j cap? The j cap is 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, so minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3, so it becomes 2 plus 3. And what is the value of the k cap? 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 1 into 1 is plus 1, so minus 4 minus 1. So this becomes simply minus 5 I cap, because 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 2 plus 3 is also minus 5. 2 plus 3 is also minus 5, and this minus 4 minus 1, that is also minus 5. So minus 5 I cap, minus 5 j cap, minus 5 k cap. So this is the vector which is perpendicular to both the a cross b. Okay, so what we have to do here now, if we try to find out a vector of which magnitude is only 5. Okay, let us represent this vector as a c vector. This c vector is minus 5 I cap, minus 5 j cap, minus 5 k cap. Okay, so you have to find it out a vector. Let us say the name of the vector is what we can say, name of the vector is r vector. Okay, r vector is xi cap, okay, plus yj cap plus zk cap. The magnitude of the r vector is, we can say this is root over of x square plus of y square plus of z square. Okay, and it is said that is 5. Okay, that is 5, so it will become root over of x square plus of y square plus of z square. So this thing becomes simply x square plus of y square plus of z square equal to 25. Okay, so after that, if you want to find it out the magnitude of the c vector, then the c vector is equal to minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. So you can say 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 125. 125 root over of 125. Root over of 125 is simply 5 root 3 unit. Okay, but here you have to find out a vector, either is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 25, or the r vector is equal to simply x I cap, y cap, j cap. So from it very clear about that, if we find it out a vector whose magnitude is 5, okay, whose magnitude is 5, then we can say if I just divide this vector by root 3, if I divide this by root 3, then c by root 3 is 5. Okay, I am following the reverse method. C by root 3 is 5. And what is C? Is okay. What is C? C is minus 5 I cap, minus 5 j cap, minus 5 k cap. So I can say if I take the C vector and divide it by root 3, okay, then that will be one vector, and that may be our R vector what we are going to find, and this is basically of magnitude 5. Okay, so we divide the C vector by root 3, so the R vector is equal to minus 5. If I take common, if I take the minus 5 common, then it will be I cap plus of j cap plus of k cap divided by root 3. So this is our answer. Sorry, this is the vector. So this is our answer. Thank you.